All right, y'all. I'm back in the kitchen at it again. Another recipe from Mr. Make It Happen. And I am about to attempt to cook it. So this is an Alfredo pasta, and we're using salmon. So yeah, so right here, as you can see, I'm just seasoning it with some all-purpose seasoning. And then I have Matt's all-purpose seasoning, Mr. Make It Happen. And then his, I don't know, is that the lemon bay or Cajun? I think it's the Cajun seasoning. Yeah, but we're just seasoning the salmon on both sides. Where did I go? Okay, had to go get a little salt there. So this is my second time actually making this recipe, and I actually found the pasta that they use for it finally, and I had to get it from Amazon. I can't think of the name of it. I'm gonna have to put it in the video somewhere, but I could not find that pasta at none of the grocery stores. So here, okay, I'm chopping my onions, and I'm so excited to chop onions now, y'all, because I can actually now chop it to my satisfaction, I guess you could say. I wouldn't say chop it the correct way, but to my satisfaction. But yeah, so here I am, cutting up the onions, and look how it falls. You know, I do a little quick dance, a little shimmy. Yes. Y'all don't know how excited I am that I have recipes to try, because I love to cook. I just don't have any ideas, so getting these ideas from these other chefs that's on YouTube is amazing, and they make it very easy for you to follow, so that's amazing. I love it. I like it a lot. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna go ahead and put the salmon in, cook those nicely, brown those. It's supposed to be like a Cajun type dish, but hey, I do the best I can. Because like, I don't want to cook it too long and make it too dry and stuff. But again, you know, everything for me is trial and error, I'm just gonna say. Oh, the pasta is called Malfadine. M-A-F-A-L-D-I-N-E. Malfadine pasta. Oh, look at that. It came out so pretty. All right, so now we got our water boiling. We got some chicken bouillon powder that we're going to put in the boiling water for the noodles. It's going to give it a nice little flavor. All right, so now we finna make the Alfredo sauce from scratch. So we got some butter. Now we're gonna put up in here. And y'all see, I got my video. I just moved my iPad. I got my video. Because when I am making these dishes, I need my instructions right there by me. All right, we sauteing up the onions. Yes, and I'm following his videos. Got my garlic, my minced garlic. Since I got that big old jar, I'm not gonna be cutting up no fresh garlic no time soon. All right, we got our spinach. Go ahead and cut that down. That's our green that we're gonna have for our pasta, our vegetables. So that's the Malfadine noodles, pasta rather. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in our water. Yes, yes, yes. All right, all right. Let's add our heavy whipping cream. Listen, it's like once you start making your Alfredo sauce from scratch, I don't think you'll ever go back to the jar, y'all. Like, for real, for real. Like, the jar isn't bad, but it's fun to make Alfredo from scratch. And it's not hard. It's like, it's not a lot. Y'all, it's amazing. It really is. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and stir all of that in. Go ahead and cook that down and stuff. and you season it to your liking. Okay, we're gonna add our pasta now that it is done. Go ahead and mix all of that together. Yes, make sure you coat the pasta very, very good. Coat it all up. And then we're gonna add a little bit of Cajun seasoning because it is a Cajun pasta dish. So yeah, go ahead and season that up a bit. Yes, coming together really nice. Okay, and then we're gonna add some shredded Parmesan on top. You see we added the little salmon on top of the pasta, and then we're gonna garnish it, put a little color to it, and honey, we done. Just like that. Just like that. Whoa. What do y'all think? Let a sister know. Okay, I will holla. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you. Mwah.